Thank you for purchasing FOFO Compressor Nebulizer. Our compressor nebulizers. Nebulizer chamber top seals in the medicine. Vaporization releases the medicine through the mask. Adjustable flow of medicine. We have obtained following certificates: ISO 13485 CE and FDA 510K and others. We are performing OEM orders for many worldwide brands. You are welcome to contact us. Fill in the atomizer. Assemble the medicine cup. Connect the nebulizer kit. Treatment process. Inhale the nebulized medicine deeply. Model BC68001. Adjustable cup. Model BC68001-E. Model BC68001.